Straight Talk Wireless Review 2025. Watch before switching. Low prices are tempting, but is Straight Talk actually worth switching to in 2025? Most people focus only on cost, but here's what really matters. Straight Talk uses major US networks, which means coverage is generally strong nationwide. For everyday calling, texting, and browsing, performance is reliable. Plans are affordable and contract-free, making Straight Talk appealing for budget-focused users. Unlimited talk and text are standard with solid data allowances. Here's where most people get this wrong. Data speeds may slow during congestion. Heavy streamers and hotspot users may notice limits. Customer support is mostly online, which works for simple issues, but can be frustrating for complex problems. On the positive side, Straight Talk supports many unlocked phones and offers easy number transfers. The surprising truth is Straight Talk works best for average users who want simple, affordable service without extras. If you want premium perks, look elsewhere. If you want value, Straight Talk is still competitive in 2025. Watch before switching, because knowing your usage makes all the difference. Subscribe for more honest carrier reviews.